Hello and welcome to our home tech. In this video, I'm going to show you an unboxing video for Hive Active Hub, and also I have some Hive Active bulb as well. So this works in you can control them with your smartphone. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can unbox this Hive Hub, which I got it here. This is a smart Hive Hub which can control the light bulbs, which in here I have two Hive active lights, two dimmable lights, dimmable warm white smart light bulbs. So let's see how this unboxing goes really well. So this comes with two bulbs, which is really good. So without further ado, let's get unboxing going. So now you go. So this is how this slides once you take the wrapping off. So this slides out, which is a nice touch, which works really good. And also this says this can connect all your Hive devices. Just simply, you can control it through your mobile phone, smart tablet, or laptops. Just plug into a broadband router and let all your Hive products talk to each other. So, which is a fantastic idea, and also British Gas innovation. So once that open, there's another box which slides in, which is a nice way of protecting. So yeah, which looks very good. So once that packaging out, so this can come out like this. So you can see the main Hive hub down here. So, and also once you take that Hive hub, there is a how-to guide. Once you take the how-to guide, there are a couple of other accessories. So let's see what are the accessories they have in there, which is supplied. I see that there's a power adapter, UK power adapter, which with USB to power the hub, and also they did give you RJ45 cable as well, which is very good. Then you can see the hub it's here, which is very nice and very small, which looks very neat and matte finish, which is very good, looks very good, pretty good. And you can see on the side there is a RJ45 connector and also power connector, which you can connect the power to power up. And also I believe this next one is probably a reset button. On the front there are three LEDs, which probably I think it will show you how this works. By looking at this how-to guide, which explain how you can connect your smart bulb active hub as well. And also they have given you a leaflet, which is how to download the apps on your mobile phones, which is a very good one. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and check how this bulbs looks like. So I'm gonna take this wrapper away. So once you take the wrapper away, so it just open as the normal bulb. So let's see, once this open, you can see there's a, it looks like a normal bulb. Once you take out, you can't see a difference. You can't see a difference between a normal bulb and this one. It's pretty much exactly look like, except a logo, Hive logo. And also this says this is very power efficient. Which is pretty good. I think it's got 806 lumens, 9 watts, and also it's 2700K warm white, which is pretty good. And also a couple of other instruments. It also gives you instant full light as well, and on and off, which is pretty good, So I can't wait to test this one. And also they do give you how-to guide as well, Hive active light, how to connect those active lights for your bulb, which is a very good touch, which explain briefly how to connect them. So without I can't wait to test them, so I will see you in another video how to test them as well. So I'd like to see you in another video. Thanks for watching.